Hello, my name is Dick Barendrecht, and seeing the truckers doing what they're doing, and me out here as an old guy, I thought I gotta support them. I put this together for them, for you guys. It's a gruffy old guy. I'm neither a poet nor a singer, but I had to do this. If you don't like it, don't watch it. If you like it, share it with your friends. It's got a message. Have a good day, and God bless those truckers. Hello, truckers, my old friends. To urge you on once again, because a virus softly creeping did its harm while we were sleeping, and the children that were calling out again and again within the sound of truckers. In restlessness I walked alone. Churches had all but flown, fleeing from the only word. They turned to something bland and blurred. It was stabbed by the into the night. I heard the sound of truckers, and in the broad daylight I saw the party members lying all oppressing people to make them fall. Children pleading from the classroom, truckers leaving home and earth to share, and all they dare destroy the sound of tyrants. Fools said they you do not know.
Because the best path forward is vaccination.
Your lies like cancer grow. Hear the trucks that they might teach you. We the people, we will reach you. And his words like thunderous engines fell and echoed in the halls of power. Would the people bow and pray for the tower they had made? On it were the words of warning they had placed there in the past. And the sign said the words of the Psalms are written on the granite walls in government halls, and destroyed the sound of tyrants.